Multilingual SEO involves optimizing your website to rank higher in search results for your keywords and phrases. So why would you do that? Why would you need to have a website in different languages? Because you'll be able to expand your reach and get more clients. Enhancing relevance. Language plays a crucial role in determining the relevance of a website to a particular audience. By providing content in multiple languages, businesses can ensure that their website resonates with the cultural preferences and linguistic nuances of diverse markets. By catering to the linguistic diversity of global markets, your business can differentiate itself from competitors and position the brand as more accessible and customer-centric as possible. This can result in increased brand loyalty and market share. Also, you get diverse, qualified traffic. Multilingual SEO enables your business to attract highly qualified traffic from international market by optimizing content for relevant keywords in different languages. Multilingual SEO involves more than just translation. I saw the other day this guy had on his website that we get your website to 120 countries. That's a bunch of hype. It involves a lot of strategies and working in every country. Remember, you will be competing with those countries' experts and business owner. You will be competing with native speakers who've been running their businesses for many years. It's not that easy. And it's very costly. So you need to have a strategy. In next video, I talk about what kind of strategies you will be needing in order to expand in different markets. Measuring and optimizing performance is another factor. Effective multilingual SEO strategies are data-driven and adaptable. By leveraging analytics to track performance metrics across different language versions of the website, your business can gain insights into user behavior, keyword performance, and conversion rates in each market. So you see, multilingual SEO is a powerful process for businesses looking to expand their global footprint and maximize ROI. So by optimizing your website's content for multiple languages, your businesses can reach new audiences, enhance relevance, gain a competitive edge, drive targeted, qualified traffic, improve conversion rates, adapt to local SEO practices, and measure performance effectively. So next time I will be talking about what kind of strategies you can use to save money and become market leader. I actually wrote a book about it, how to become market leader in a foreign market. So yeah, until next time we talk. Okay, have a lovely day. Bye.